evening. Welcome to Unacademy. This is Umamaheshwar Rao. Unacademy learners excel in GATE 2024. 7 rankers secured EIR 1. Unlock your path to selection. Prepare for GATE 2025. 12,999 rupees, valid till May 18th. Unlock your path to selection. Join your new batches for GATE ESC PSUs 2025 and 26 starting from 17th May. 9-month subscription for 12,999 rupees, 24-month subscription for 24,999 rupees. Pratigya batch for GATE ESC PSUs 2025. Neev batch for GATE ESC PSUs 2026. List of books home delivered within 15 days for iconic subscriptions only. Change the order of integration in double integral 0 to 8, x by 4 to 2. Function of xy dy dx. Y equal to x by 4, y equal to 2, x equal to 0, x equal to 8. Understood? Now, this is our region. We have to change the order of integration. Changing order is nothing but changing order of the strip. Here you have to change order of the strip from vertical to horizontal. Here x equal to 0, x equal to 4y, y equal to 0, y equal to 2. Now, double integral function of xy dx dy. X varies from 0 to 4y, y varies from 0 to 2. If you compare with double integral function of xy dx dy, PQRS. What is Q? Q is 4y. So correct answer is Q equal to 4y. By change the order of integration in the double integral 0 to 2, x square to x, y equal to x square, y equal to 2x. Integral 0 to 2 x square to x. y equal to x square, y equal to 2x. Lower limit is x square, upper limit is 2x. So he has taken vertical strip. Now we have to change the order. To change the order, we have to take horizontal strip. In the same region, we have to change the order of integration by taking horizontal strip. Take horizontal strip. X equal to y by 2, x equal to root y. Y equal to 0 to y equal to 4. Double integral y by 2 to root y. 0 to 4. Function of xy dx dy. 0 to 4. Y by 2 to root y is the correct answer, because y by 2 to root y is the correct answer. Next problem, integral 0 to 1, 0 to x square e power y by x dy dx. We have to integrate with respect to y. E power y by x by 1 by x, 0 to x square dx. Integral 0 to 1. E power x square by x is e power x, e power 0 is 1 dx. That is integral 0 to 1 x e power x minus x dx. X into e power x minus e power x minus x square by 2 from 0 to 1. Applying upper limit, e minus 1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2. Final answer is 1 by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2. X to pi by 2 cos y by y dy dx. It is a problem on change the order of integration. First, identify the limits on the graph sheet. The line y equal to x. Y equal to pi by 2. X equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2. Observe, identify the region. X equal to 0, x equal to y. Double integral cos y by y dx dy. X varies from 0 to y. Y varies from 0 to pi by 2. First integrate with respect to x. Integral dx is x from 0 to y dy. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos y by y into y dy. Y cancel. Integral cos y is sin y from 0 to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Final answer is 1. Integral 0 to 1. 2y to 2 e power x square dx dy. Integral 0 to 1. 2y to 2 e power x square dx dy. We have to integrate first with respect to x. It is not possible. That's why we are going to change the order of integration. X equal to 2y, x equal to 2, y equal to 0, y equal to 1. Now we have to change the order. To change the order, we have to consider vertical strip. Y equal to 0, y equal to x by 2. X equal to 0, x equal to 2. E power x square dy dx. E power x square into integral dy is y, 0 to x by 2 dx. Integral 0 to 2 e power x square into x by 2 dx. Let us take x square is t. 2x dx is dt. X dx is dt by 2. When x is 0, t is 0. When x is 2, t is 4. Integral 0 to 4. E power x square is e power t. X dx is dt by 2 by 2, dt by 4. Integral e power t is e power t from 0 to 4. E power 4 minus e power 0 is 1. E power 4 minus 1 by 4. Integral 0 to 1. Integral y to 1. xy sin xy dx dy. By change the order of integration, you will get new limits. What are the new limits? A and B values we have to find out. integral 0 to 1, integral y to 1, xy into sin xy, dx dy, x equal to y, x equal to 1, y equal to 0, y equal to 1. That is our region. We have to change order of integration. Y equal to 0, y equal to x. X equal to 0, x equal to 1. xy, sin xy, dy dx. Therefore, a value 0 and b value x. These two limits only we require. A value 0, b value x. Understood? A equal to 0, b equal to x. Integral 0 to infinite, 1 by y to infinite, x power 4, e power minus x cube y, dx dy. X equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by y, x equal to infinite. So they have considered a horizontal step. Y equal to 0 to y equal to infinite. We have to change the order of integration. We have to consider vertical step. Y equal to 1 by x, y equal to infinite, x equal to 0, x equal to infinite. X power 4, e power minus x cube y, dy dx. First we have to integrate with respect to y. Whenever you are integrating with respect to y, you have to treat x as constant. x power 4 e power minus x cube y by minus x cube 1 by y to 1 by x to infinite dx 0 to infinite minus x into e power minus x cube y 1 by x to infinite dx integral 0 to infinite minus x e power minus infinity is 0 minus e power minus x cube by x e power minus x square integral 0 to infinite x into e power minus x square dx. Let us take minus x square is t minus 2x dx is dt. X dx is minus dt by 2 integral 0 to infinite e power minus t x dx is minus dt by 2 1 by 2 of minus 1 by 2 of e power minus t by minus 1 from 0 to infinite here you will get plus x only. E power minus infinity is 0 minus e power minus x square minus x into now minus x dx is dt by 2 e power minus t by minus 1 from 0 to infinite, that is 1 by 2 only. Final answer is 1 by 2. Next column, integral 0 to pi, integral 0 to pi x to pi 0 to 2 sin y by y g dz dy dx integral 0 to pi integral x to pi 2 sin y by y dy dx y equal to x, y equal to pi. Continuation. Change the order. X equal to 0, x equal to y. Y equal to 0, y equal to pi. Integral 0 to y, integral 0 to pi. 2 sin y by y. Dx dy. Integral dx is x. So y dy, y cancel. 2 into integral sin y is minus cos y from 0 to pi minus 2 of cos pi minus cos 0. Finally 4. The value of integral is 4. Next problem. Integral 0 to 1 y to 1 y into square root of 1 plus x cube dx dy. Y to 1 first we have to integrate with respect to x, but not possible. That's why we have to change the order. First identify the region. X equal to y, x equal to 1, y equal to 0, y equal to 1. That is our region. We have to change the order of integration. Y equal to 0, y equal to x. X equal to 0, x equal to 1. Integral 0 to x, 0 to 1, square root of 1 plus x cube, y dy dx. First integrate with respect to y. Y square by 2, 0 to x dx. Integral 0 to 1, square root of 1 plus x cube into x square by 2 dx. Zero to 1. Let us take 1 plus x cube equal to t. 3x square dx equal to dt. X square dx equal to dt by 3. When x is 0, t is 1. When x is 1, t is 2. 1 by 2 integral 1 to 2 root t x square dx is dt by 3 1 by 6 t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 1 to 2 1 by 6 into 2 by 3 of 2 power 3 by 2 minus 1 2 root 2 minus 1 by 9. Final answer is 2 root 2 minus 1 by 9. Understood?